Dear students, here is our second part of this very beautiful poem 3 Years She Grew. In the first part we have read that there's a very cute little baby of 3 years named by Lucy who is growing in natural atmosphere, and Mother Nature compare her as the beautiful flower has ever bloomed on this earth. Then Mother Nature takes a decision that I will take care of this baby with my own hands, and nature imagines that how she will provide her every essential aspect to her development. And in this stanza we will find that Mother Nature is educating her. Mother Nature is affecting Lucy's brain so that her imagination, her thinking can be uh, broad and good towards humanity. And so it is our second stanza start with, she shall be sportive and the fawn that will be that wild with glee across the lawn. Means here Mother Nature is imagining that this 3 years old Lucy will be so active as the fawn. Means Lucy will be active and will walk in the fields of nature in the to feel the beauty of nature as a fawn walks here and there in the open world and feel happiness in this walking. And when o'er up the mountain springs, here shall be the breathing balm. And whenever Lucy will walk on the mountains, um, she will feel the pleasant air blowing, and from the inanimate object of nature, she will learn stability of life. The poet describes in this stanza educative effect influence of nature. Uh, Nature modules here the mind as well as the body. Means nature cares her mind as well as her body. Lucy's nature impulse alone would suffice to rouse her a good action. Means nature will provide every sufficient aspect for her growth. Nature will be programmed for this young lady. Means nature will uh, inspire her to feel the beauty of nature. Nature will be programmed for her. Means when Lucy will be young, she will be very active as a fawn who runs here and there in open fields and feel happiness. Just like this, when Lucy will be grown up, she will walk the open fields, mountains, and she will be very active to think. She will be very close to nature. And whenever she or up the mountain spring, and her shall be breathing barn. And whenever Lucy will walk on the mountains, she will feel the pleasant, fragranceful air which is blowing on the mountains, and her silence the calm of mute instant things. And from the stable object of nature, she will learn the silence and peace of life. The floating clouds their state shall land, or Lucy shall feel soft breeze, and the floating clouds their state shall land to her for her the willow bend, and she will be take care by nature how that floating clouds will be work like her pillow.